What if there's a blockchain that can host entire websites, run AI apps, and you never pay fees when using it? Sounds crazy, right? Meet ICP, the Internet Computer Protocol. It's trying to replace how the whole internet works, and I'm not kidding about that. Here's what you need to know about ICP, how it actually works, and whether this thing could really happen. Here's the thing about today's internet. A few huge companies control everything. When you use Instagram, Netflix, or Gmail, you're using Amazon, Google, or Microsoft's computers. This creates problems. These companies can shut down whatever they want. When their servers break, big chunks of the internet stop working, and they own all your data. Other blockchains tried to fix this, but Bitcoin is too slow for real apps. Ethereum makes you pay expensive fees every time you do anything. So the team behind ICP asked a simple question. What if we built a blockchain that's as fast as regular websites, free to use, and can run entire apps without big tech? Here's how ICP does it. Instead of Amazon servers, ICP runs on hundreds of independent computers around the world. Think of it like replacing one giant company with thousands of people running their own computers. But here's where it gets weird. Apps on ICP don't run like normal smart contracts. They run in something called canisters. Think of these like tiny websites that can store stuff, run code, and talk to your browser directly. And here's the best part. You don't pay fees. The app maker pays them instead by buying something called cycles. This means you can use ICP apps for free, just like Instagram or TikTok. There's more. ICP can talk directly to Bitcoin and Ethereum. No weird bridges or wrap tokens. It just connects straight to them, like having a phone that works on every network. When too many people use the network, ICP just creates more parallel chains that work together. It's built to handle as much traffic as needed without slowing down. So, what can you actually use today? There's OpenChat. It's like WhatsApp, but every message lives on the blockchain. DSCVR is basically Reddit, but no company owns it. You can trade tokens on DEX like ICDex and Sonic, buy and sell NFTs on marketplaces that run completely on chain. But here's what's really interesting. ICP can run AI as smart contracts. Think about AI that nobody can shut down or mess with because it lives on a blockchain. They're working on something where you just chat with AI to build apps. Companies are building their customer systems and business software directly on ICP. No more paying Amazon or Google for servers. What's next? ICP wants to connect to more blockchains, make AI even better, and create tools so easy that anyone can build apps. But here's the reality. ICP has some of the best tech in crypto, but most people still don't know about it. The price crashed hard from its peak. Whether it actually works depends on whether people start using it. So that's ICP. It's fast, free for users, and can run full apps. It wants to replace how the internet works. Will it actually happen? I honestly don't know. What do you think? Is this realistic or just too ambitious? Tell me in the comments. If this helped you understand ICP better, hit like and subscribe. And let me know what other crypto projects you want me to explain. Thanks for watching. See you next time.